Good afternoon, everyone. For today's video, we are going to create an amortization schedule using Excel or Microsoft Excel. But before that, let us define first what is amortization. So amortization, it is an accounting technique used to periodically lower the book value of a loan or an intangible asset over a set period of time. So concerning a loan, amortization focuses on spreading out loan payments over time. And amortization schedules are used by lenders such as financial institutions to present a loan repayment schedule based on a specific maturity date. So let us have an example here. A loan of 250,000 pesos is to be repaid with equal quarterly payments for 3 years with an interest rate of 7% compounded quarterly. Find the quarterly payment and construct an amortization schedule. So in this presentation, I already labeled the needed information here so that we can solve or we can create an amortization schedule. So our amount borrowed here is equal sign 250,000, 250,000, then enter. Then our period here is equal sign. Period is the time and the frequency of conversion. You have 3 years, 3 times times the frequency conversion. Since it is compounded quarterly, our M here is 4. And then the rate here is 7%, or in decimal form it is 0. Equal sign 0.07 divided by our M, which is 4, and then enter. And our payment equals PMT, stands for payment, and just follow the instruction here. You have to press the rate cell, comma, the period or the number of period, comma, then our present value. So let us put negative sign in our present value. Okay. So that our final answer here will be not negative. Then 0. Then close parenthesis. Alright, so our regular payment is 23,278.44. So we are now going to create the number of months or number of periods we have. Since we have 12 periods here, our um, months here starts with 1. Then let us drag this into 12 period, just fill series. Alright, 12 period only. Alright, so our beginning balance is 25,000 equals sign, and just click this cell and enter. That is our the beginning balance, which is 250. And our PMP or the payment equals sign and click this cell, this payment. Alright, 23,278.44, and our interest here equal sign the beginning balance or um the beginning or amount borrowed times the rate. Enter. So our interest here is 4,375, and our principal equals sign the PMP or our payment minus the interest, and that is our principal 18,903.44, and our balance equal sign our balance is the beginning balance minus the principal amount, and our balance now is 231,096.56 pesos. Alright, so in our second period, just copy the balance in this cell. Just click this cell, enter, and our PMP is this cell, the payment. Okay, so in order drag the to copy this cell, we have to put between the variable. Let's put dollar sign before and after the letters. Dollar sign equals, that is our payment, and the interest now is our equal sign interest beginning balance times the rate. Okay, so in order to, instead of solving manually, we can drag this later on so that the Excel will solve the remaining values. Let us put here dollar sign and before the letter dollar sign. Alright, so our interest now is 4,044.19 pesos, and our principal equals sign principal the payment minus the interest, and that is the principal 19,234.25, and our balance equals sign the beginning balance minus the principal amount, and left with 211,862.30 pesos or dollars. Pesos. So instead of solving manually, we can drag this starts with the second period, highlight. Alright, then let us then let us highlight this cell, then drag it down we are done. The the remaining balance here will be 0.00 since our goal in amortization is at the end of 12 periods our balance is 0, and that's how we create an amortization schedule using the Excel. So that's the end of our lecture video, and I hope you understand all the process, you remembered all the process, and see you in my next video.